Hey guys, it's me, Serena, and I'm just hopping on here real quick because I wanted to tell you about my latest exciting opportunity, and that is that I've been approved as an influencer on the LIKEtoKNOW.it app. And if you aren't familiar with LIKEtoKNOW.it, you may have seen it in all your Instagram influencers that you may follow if they're ever telling you about something that they are wearing or something that's in their home or any kind of product at all that they're talking about on their Instagram page. Usually in the text, they're going to reference you to LIKEtoKNOW.it. And that's just an app where you can go and shop all the looks really that you see on Instagram. But I have been approved to do it as well, and I'm going to start posting more on Instagram. But I wanted to let you guys know about it because so many of you ask me, do you have the link to this? Do you have the link to that? And it's hard to go back and find the video that you watch to try to figure out, oh, which video was it in where she wore this, and then look in the comments and find the link or if I provided a link or not, and that gets kind of cumbersome and hard to deal with for me and for you because it's hard for me to keep up with all that and to go back and make sure I've answered everybody's questions. And then it's hard for you because you're trying to remember, oh, which video was it where she wore that and where did I ask her about that and that kind of thing. So with this app, I can post pictures of items, and then you can click on that, and then there will actually be links to specific items that will take you directly to a retailer store and you can buy them. And I was just going to show you on my phone here my very first post. I was so excited that I figured out how to do it because it was kind of a daunting task. It was a little bit complicated, but I think it's one of those things that it sounded more complicated than it was. Because once I finally figured out, I thought, oh, this is not that hard. But I don't know, it was a little bit intimidating. But okay, first of all, here I am on there. I'm Style with Serena. So you would go into your app store first. Let me do that. You would go into your app store and search for LIKEtoKNOW.it. And there's the app. So, and it's free, it doesn't cost you anything. And so you download the app, and then of course you'll have to create an account and everything so you can log into it just like anything else. And then you can search by, product, you can search by person, you can search by all different kind of ways. But what I did when I first joined it was I started following a lot of my Instagram people that I follow on there so I could see what they were linking up. So after you download the app, then you go into it and you'll search for me, and there's a search bar at the top, and you can type anything in there. You can type sandals, you can type, an article of clothing. You can go in here and type my name. So you would just put in Style with Serena, and then there I am right there. Of course, it already says following because my LIKEtoKNOW.it account is following me. But you would find me and click on that and click follow. And so then you would go to my little page, and here's the only one I have so far that's actually got links. And what I did was I made a little post with my 3 favorite June favorite sandals that you guys saw in my June favorites video. And then right underneath the picture, there's a little thumbnail picture. And then right underneath it, right here, you'll see 3 little pictures. The black sandals, the Steve Madden ones, and the little gold slides. So let's just touch on that one. And that brings that up. That's the little Sam Edelman black heeled slide. And you can mark it as a favorite. You can share it with somebody. You can add it to a collection that you have on there, but if you're ready to buy it, you can just click on buy right there, and it's going to take you straight to where you can buy it. And you can complete your transaction and check out right there. So that is pretty slick. And yes, it does pay a small commission. It's very small, but that's the whole premise behind the app, is influencers will drive their followers to these stores to buy products that they've shown on their YouTube channel or on Instagram or wherever. So then they pay the influencers a small commission for referring that business to them. So that's how it works. So, and it also is just an easy way to keep up with all the looks you like. And just say you wanted to save that for later. All you got to do is go down here and there's a little heart and you click on it and that adds it to your favorites. And anytime you want to see your favorites, you go down here to the bottom and there's a heart. And you can see, well, I've got lots of things saved as favorites, okay? But that's what happens. You just mark it as a favorite, and then it goes down there and it's saved. So you don't have to go back and scroll through and figure out, you know, where you found that item that you liked, because you marked it and put it in your favorites and it keeps it there. So that's a little bit about how it works. It doesn't cost you anything extra if you purchase something through the LIKEtoKNOW.it app. It just takes you directly to that site and you're gonna make your purchase and check out just as you normally would. And so I'm really excited to be able to share this with you. And it's also online. You can go to their website, but it's really made to be used as an app. You know, it doesn't have as many features online as the app does, or it's just not as slick. So I suggest doing it on your tablet or your phone. But it's just a real easy way to shop all your influencer looks in one place. And if you want to go to my page or Miss Golden Girl's page or Kate Small Things page or whoever, you just go on there and you can scroll through and see all their looks that they've posted and links to those items that if you're interested. So I'm going to be posting a lot coming up. So please go out there, download the app, the LIKEtoKNOW.it app, and go ahead and search for Style with Serena and follow me on there so that you can always be up to date with the latest things that I feature here on my channel. And if you're interested in buying any of those items, that's the easiest way to do it. So I hope that makes sense. If not, leave me a comment and I will try to assist, and I'll walk you through it again if I need to. But I hope you'll follow me over there, and that will help support me and my channel and growing my channel. And I appreciate all you guys do to help me, that you've done so far to help me grow my channel to where it is already in these few short months I've been doing this. So thank you so much. And I've got some more videos coming your way soon. I'm working on some things for you, so stick around for that. And until I see you next time, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.